Hey guys, Lismore Garbo here at Southside Trucks. We've just got a Tenterfield garbage truck here, Volvo, front loader, Tenterfield, unit 23 for Tenterfield Shire Council. Nice little Volvo is inside. Here you've got the arms up here. There's the signage. We've got the ladder. We've got the back, the rear end. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, that's about it. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yep, make sure if you'd like to add a comment if you've got any questions, and you've got the Southside Trucks there.